The third wave is the endless pursuit of delivering incredible tasting coffee, perfecting every part of the process from seed to cup. And it can't truly be experienced without the right machine. When these two elements meet, you get the ultimate taste experience. Now you too can experience third wave specialty coffee at home with Breville's 4 keys formula that replicates commercial machine performance. Taste the Breville difference today. The third wave is the endless pursuit of delivering incredible tasting coffee, perfecting every part of the process from seed to cup. And it can't truly be experienced without the right machine. When these two elements meet, you get the ultimate taste experience. Now you too can experience third wave specialty coffee at home with Breville's 4 keys formula that replicates commercial machine performance. Taste the Breville difference today.
Right. Now let's wash all the parts and accessories and dry thoroughly before use. Soak the filter in water for 5 minutes. Pop it into the filter holder, fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank, and fill with cold water. Fit the bean hopper to the top of the machine like this, locking it into place. place the water tank into the machine. Now, let's power it up. When the machine has reached the correct operating temperature, the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons, along with the power button, will illuminate. The machine is now in standby mode. Now the machine is set up and flavor outcome. We recommend starting on size 16, then adjusting as required, depending on your coffee beans. Press the dose button to start grinding. Here's where the magic of the Impress Puck system comes in. When the grind cycle is completed, the tamp light indicator will flash. Push the tamp lever downwards until you hear a beep. Pushing the lever slowly and consistently will help to improve the puck appearance. This action tamps the coffee grinds in the portafilter using a consistent 22 pounds of tamp force to create an even coffee puck. The tamp is finished off with a Barista twist, rotating the tamp 7 degrees to clean off excess grinds and to polish the puck surface. Complete another tamp action for an extra polished puck surface. Release the lever slowly upwards to the home position after tamping. The dose level indicator provides feedback on your tamp. The smiley face is the ideal tamp level and the right amount of coffee grinds in the portafilter. This is the level you're aiming for. If the dose level is below the ideal amount, the machine will switch to a bit more mode. The dose button light will flash. Press the dose button to add a bit more grinds to the portafilter. Then complete another tamp for a new dose level reading. When the ideal dose level is reached, the machine will automatically calculate the auto dose time for the next grind cycle. If, on the other hand, the dose level is above the ideal middle bar, remove the portafilter from the cradle and use the razor trimming tool like this. The machine will calculate how much to reduce the auto grind time and update this for the next grind cycle. Now that's impressive. Now, it's time to brew. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. You have the option here of a single or double shot espresso. Let's go with a double shot. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. Flowing like thick, warm honey. That's what you're looking for. Here's where the 4 keys formula comes in. Key number 1, a full-bodied coffee with rich,